on Fox Kids.
This summer's biggest hero
We live in the neighborhood you want to tear down.
That I'm going to tear down.
is taking a stand
We're not going to give it up without a fight. I'm in, man. What's the plan?
for the little guy.
Get him. Hang on to your goodies, kids. We got a neighborhood to save.
Hey Arnold, the movie.
I am moved by your greatness.
Oh, come here, you big lug.
Rated PG. Starts Friday in theaters everywhere.
I think you need a pet.
Making the world a better place starts with one voice,
All just hanging around. You can turn your world upside down.
Put a smile on, put a smile on.
Everybody come on.
Everybody come on, put a smile on.
Excuse me.
Pardon me, buddy.
And squeeze in the middle, smack dab in the middle, squeeze in the middle, smack dab in the middle.
When you put tasty cream smack dab in the middle of 2 Chips Ahoy cookies, some pretty amazing things happen. New Chips Ahoy Cream Witches.
Hey, he bit me!
Power up your Saturday mornings with the Fox Kids Power Hour. United we roar! It's a full hour of your favorite heroes battling their toughest enemies.
You ain't seen nothing yet.
Power up with episodes of Power Rangers Wild Force and Galador next on Fox Kids.
Coming to the Fox Box this fall, it's Fighting Foodons.
Here's something incredible. These monsters once were edible, so everybody take a look at combat creatures you can cook. Fighting Foodons is food with attitude. Pick the right ingredients to make the food obedient.
Depending on the spice you add, your food on could be really bad.
Bad.
Recipes become monsters, so prepare for battle. Fighting Foodons, Saturday, September 14th, when Fox Kids becomes the Fox Box.
Now back to Fox Kids.
Coming this fall in the Fox Box. Meet Ultraman, mankind's last line of defense against a new breed of monsters.
Gather your team. We're in grave danger.
3 heroes in one. When super just isn't enough.
Direct hit.
Thank you, Ultraman Tiga.
You the man.
Ultraman Tiga, starting Saturday, September 14th, when Fox Kids becomes the Fox Box.